go. Get wow. On TikTok for like
show me what it's like to be so.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna be filming a video where I'm gonna live a day in the life of March 2020. I just woke up. It's literally 6 a.m. So let's get this season 1 quarantine started.
Your eyes are shining like the stars.
Alright guys, it's time to do a little workout. I know you guys already can guess what I'm doing. Chloe Ting. I asked you guys on my Instagram, what are some things that remind you of this time last year? And that was like one of the main answers. I actually never got into her, never did it, but I will be doing one of her videos, so let's do this. Oh wow, she's still posting like crazy. I kind of figured she would be done now. So I guess we'll just, this was the big one, right? But we're just gonna do this one because I'm pretty sure that was like a really popular one back in the day. So here we go, get abs in 2 weeks. Happy March 2020. Alrighty, I finished that workout. It was like any ordinary ab workout, like it was fine. I didn't find anything crazy, but we just did that. Now I feel like I finally know the Chloe Ting trend. It's breakfast time. You guys already know what I should be making, and that's pancake cereal, but I never ever made that, and that honestly just seems like a ton of work, so I'm not gonna do that. But to give you that vibe, here's a lot of pictures. Hope you just lived through pancake cereal, brought you back, but yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna pick out of my bag what I'm having for breakfast, and you're just gonna watch that, so sorry. Oh, we're making pancakes. That's kind of ironic. So we're just gonna have regular pancakes. Okay, let's get it.
Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Here we go, guys. Pretend it's pancake cereal.
Feels like I can fly.
Okay, guys, it's been 30 minutes. I just watched a Sophie Jane vlog. I used to be really obsessed with her, and then I kind of fell off, and now I just rediscovered her again, and I love her. So, yay, got a girl to binge. But the weather is so gloomy and rainy, which I kind of like because it is only March. So it's nice that like it's starting to get rainy, so that means it's more spring than winter. Yes, not really any vibe here. I'm still in school. I wasn't in school last year, I am now. But I have to do school today, so right now I'm gonna take a test for my consumer class, and then I have finance in an hour. So I'm probably gonna take this test, keep chilling, and then take so, yes. But I promise after that, we're getting real, I was gonna say festive, real reminiscent. I think that's not a word. Finished my test. I got 85, so that's dope. I think I'm just gonna get ready a little bit, like rinse my body, put a little bit of makeup on. I'm gonna keep this hoodie on, but like maybe put a different pair of sweatpants on, you know, just freshen up before class. But I'm glad I got good on that test and got that over with, and I just did the homework for that class too, so we own it. Yes. was so cute. Alright guys, I did my makeup. I now have class in 10 minutes, but it's so funny listening to all those old songs. It really brings you back. Those songs just remind me of like prime TikTok. That's when I really got super into TikTok, was like March, but it also reminds me of just like I would tan all day, every day, because I wasn't in school, and that was literally all I would do, and it was a really great time. It's 3 minutes past and my prof still isn't here. Can I leave? While I wait for my prof, I think I'm actually gonna put on, dare I say it, jeans. I don't know, but I just threw on this Toronto t-shirt and now I'm gonna throw on some jeans. Who am I? Okay crew, I figured since I did my makeup, I might as well put on like almost a put together outfit, but it's still not. I just threw on these Levi's, this little shirt that says Toronto. This was my old everyday jewelry, I just threw it back on. And then my makeup and outfit. Who are we? My prof's having some technical difficulties. Maybe class will be canceled after all. That would be great because we have a list of March things to do. Like, come on, miss.
No change. For the equity, the easy way.
Alright guys, it's 12:10 now. She just finished class. I'm gonna quickly go up and say hi to my mom. She's gonna run out soon. But I did not understand a thing in that class. I'm going to be here for a while trying to figure out what I just did. I have a lot of homework, which sucks. We never like when there's a ton of homework. It's just not the nicest. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, basically we have these big Excel finance sheets and each question takes pretty long to answer. And normally she answers a lot of them and only gives us a few to do in the end, but she gave us so many. This is gonna take forever. So, yay, I'll try to do some of that today. But let's go say hi to mom, and then I'm gonna come back and work on this, and then we'll make lunch, and then we'll do some March things. You guys probably already know because you were the ones who sent them to me. And I'm hungry, so let's go make some events. So the situation is I thought I had tofu and I literally had 2 squares left. So I used the Gardein chicken fingers, and then I'm doing sweet potato, broccoli, pepper on lettuce with avocado, and an avocado oil. It's like the Green Goddess dressing from Primal Kitchen. So that'll be lunch. Wow, see that cute little move? This is honestly a very March themed lunch for me. I would have salads all day, every day. You would not catch me having anything else for lunch other than a salad. So maybe not trendy, but definitely my quarantine vibe. And guess what we're gonna go watch? Outer Banks. I mean, would you honestly expect me to watch anything else? I know Tiger King was really huge and I did watch it, but I didn't really like love it. So for me, Outer Banks was definitely the show. So we're just gonna watch episode 1.
We're the Pogues. In our mission this summer.
Another thing you guys mentioned that you did and that I definitely did a ton and still do is walking. I swear to God, we all walked all day, every day because there was nothing else to do. So it's now 2. I just ate and worked on my finance a bit more. I'm gonna go out and walk my dog for a little study break, just like I did like 3 times a day, no joke, last year at this time. So let's go live up our March 2020 life and walk.
Go, guys, you go.
You good? Hard to tell these
days.
Here's what's up. It's now 2:52. I just got back from walking my dog and I'm quickly going to head out and do some errands, which honestly, I did this nonstop through quarantine. Anytime I thought of getting out of the house and grabbing something, I would. In a safe manner, of course, like only things we needed, but I'd be like, we need bananas, I should go get bananas. So actually this one, I'm going to get some bananas, but we do need a bit of a grocery shop. So we're gonna go run an errand, and then when we get back, we're gonna make whipped coffee and banana bread, the two food favorites of March. And I'm so excited. I have not had either like since.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way.
Okay, I am back. All I put away is chia seeds, and then I got my dad some chips. We got some maple syrup. I got 2 Go macro bars. I got the peanut butter chocolate chip and the oatmeal chocolate chip. These are just like great snacks to have on hand. 2 things of tofu. Whole lot of food. This also just kind of worked out, but a big thing I did was shop, and I just got an Amazon package. This is gonna look boring to you. To me, it's very exciting. They're ready. Reusable K-Pods. I'm finally hopping on this train. I probably needed to a long time ago. So I got a pack full. But now let's make banana bread. Emma McDonald's banana bread. And I'm gonna watch Outer Banks at the same time.
Be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you.
Okay, I'm gonna make the whipped coffee. I don't even know if I remember how. I think it's like sugar, instant coffee, and hot water, right? I hope so. Smelling this literally reminds me of last year.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
Man, that's so good. Why did we stop drinking this? Okay, I'm gonna finish watching my episode of Outer Banks. The banana bread needs 26 more minutes, so when it's done, we will try it together. But for now, we're gonna have our whipped coffee and watch Outer Banks like the 2020 vibes it is.
So give me a sign. Give me a sign.
How good does that look? Wow. Okay guys, here we go. First bite. Why did I stop making banana bread? Binging Outer Banks, banana bread, and whipped coffee feels so weird. It's 5:40 and I'm gonna go on TikTok for like an hour because I used to do this while I was tanning or before I went to bed, but tonight we have a plan. I didn't do this during quarantine that much, but you guys sent it in. I'm gonna have a little Zoom drink date with my best friend Sid. We did this last week and it was honestly so much fun. I'm so excited to do it again tonight. So all you guys who did this in March, I'm a year late. But yeah, let's go on TikTok forever like we all did and still do.
I gotta relearn it. Okay, wait. ZYXWVUTSRQPONMLKJH. No.
Okay, honestly, that's where the vlog ends. After that, I totally ate a bag of chips and went to bed. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that little day in my life. Got the idea from MELANIE Locke. I think that's his name. I'm going to link her video down below, so go check hers out. That's how I figured this out. But it was actually really fun. I totally recommend you guys to live a day like how it was last year. It was super reminiscent and just felt weird. Honestly, it felt so weird. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so fun to film and, you know, it took up a day, which we love. So let me know what you want to see down below and I'll see you in the next video.